Welcome to Google Cloud Drawing Board, where we doodle our way through the cloud. Today's topic, what is cloud storage? Cloud storage is a global, secure, and scalable object store for immutable data such as images, text, videos, or any other file formats. You store objects in buckets which are associated with a project which are grouped under an organization. You can then upload objects to the bucket and download objects from it using the console or gsutil commands. By default, data at rest is encrypted, and you have options to secure it with your own encryption keys using Google Cloud's Key Management Service or your own key management service on-premise. You can grant permission to specific members and teams or make the objects fully public for use cases such as websites. When creating buckets, you have options depending on budget, availability, and access frequency. Choose standard regional or multi-regional buckets for high performance, frequent access, and highest availability. Nearline for once-a-month access, Coldline for less than once a quarter, and Archive for data that you want to put away for years. It costs a bit more to use standard storage because it allows for automatic redundancy and frequent access options. Nearline, Coldline, and Archive storage offer 99% availability and cost significantly less. Cloud storage offers automatic object versioning, so you don't have to worry about versioning and can still access the older version if needed. With Object Lifecycle Management, you can automatically transition the data to lower-cost storage classes when it reaches a certain age or when you store a newer version of a file. Once you have stored the data, accessing it is easy with a single API call for all storage classes. Standard regional and multi-regional buckets are optimal to use for hosting static websites, streaming, and storing documents. Nearline and Coldline storage classes are widely used for backups and disaster recovery, and Archive, as the name suggests, is best for long-term archiving. Cloud storage is a great data lake choice for streaming and batch uploading data for big data and ML projects. To noodle more on cloud storage, check out cloud.google.com/storage.